we doing, Tom?
Well, we're unboxing everything that's in our amazing space balloon kit. So we got a parachute. So this slightly ordinary looking box contains some white gloves for purposes of getting everything set up. Also, for bonus points, looking like a magician. We've got batteries, vitally important. More batteries. We've got a GPS tracker, the global smallest GPS tracking device. Have a quick look at this. Okay, so that's a GPS tracker number 1.
Why do we need a GPS tracker?
We need a GPS tracker, so when this box falls to Earth, full of cameras, we know where the heck it is. So we'll be popping around trying to find it. And this box, this is the one. This is the space box. We've got a data logger to track where the flight is as it goes along. SD card for the data logger. Some handy cable ties. And rope itself to tie it on. And so all of this, all together, this is the Andover Space Program spacecraft. So yeah, here we go with these little guys. And they're going to be stuck inside the box and probably outside of their little cases, because the cases get all frosty as they go up. So basically,
so we are reliant on the GPS to recover it and the footage for its flight, right?
Absolutely. So as it goes up, the GPS will keep broadcasting until it gets up to about 18 kilometres. And at that point, it will enter the blackout zone. And we're not going to know where it is until it starts to fall back down. And then really gentle with this, because this is the space balloon.
And that is what gets it up.
And that's what gets it up all the way. So, yeah, it's basically a really big version of any kind of balloon that you might have at a party or at home.